What's up, YouTube? Is your boy? What's up, YouTube? Is your boy Honda Civic here recording another video. Today we are playing Ultimate Car Driving a Simulator. Right now I'm in a drift session. Yes, I'm supposed to be drifting. I need to get 1,600 points. I'm driving a Lamborghini Aventador. But in this game, they don't call them Lamborghini Aventador because of, strikes whatever with the actual game company. So they call it something else. I don't know what they call this thing. I'm just trying to move this on. I'm not trying to drift Lambo, drift, amazing drift. Okay. I'm doing good drift just by doing this. Okay. That lamppost seemed pretty tough. And this game is actually pretty interesting because, hold on, I'm going to show you why. As soon as I'm done this race. This is really interesting, and this is why I downloaded it. I never know this game would have this stuff because, yeah. Okay. This game has 3, 2, come on, hurry up. This game, we're gonna do, what is that? Parkour. Why not? Let's do it. I'll explain what that means in a second. I'm about to do parkour. Wait a minute, hold on. Oh shit! Wait, does that mean that means I'll start over? Yeah. Shoot. I completely missed that. Don't ask me what half this stuff means. I've only played this game for like 2 days. So don't ask me what exactly a lot of things are. No! And I'm playing on my old Android. I'm playing on my Galaxy S4. I'm not playing on my Galaxy S8. Because the laggy as much. So I was playing on my 8. Fucking sure it's dumped. Oh, that spawns you up there if you hit that. Okay, I didn't. Oh, okay. So I guess I gotta. Shit. Gotta take it easy. Gotta take it easy. Try to control. Oh, it's a jump. Well, that makes it harder than what it looks. Wait, but where'd you get the speed for that, though? The motherfucker. What's the speed for that? Oh shit. Hold on. shit. I can't even put this car over the plank. But you can't make it. You don't make it. Yeah, you don't make it with the speed even you can't even drive the car straight. I'll just keep hitting that stupid green thing. Oh, yep. Just keep hitting those crate things. You'll never. I made it. Holy shit. How did I do that? How did I do it? It's been a friggin' miracle. Oh my goodness. Drive this thing very carefully. How the frick did I do that? Oh, the sign. Okay, the sign stops me. Okay. Go. Okay. That's something new. Yeah. Okay. A little Call of Duty mode. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. Call of Duty Mobile. No, you hired me for sponsorship. But yes, guys, look. The whole city street stuff. You can even add what do you call them? Those cars. Man, you guys got to collect these around when you guys drive, which is crazy. This game is not that popular, and you get to cruise around. You can either go here and do like just event, hardcore races. I believe there's like other races. It's like passes where you could do like do 100 kilometers, and you get diamonds for it, and you gotta collect because diamonds give you special stuff, but I don't really know. I'm gonna see if I could do that sign for you guys right now for 100. We're getting that money. Crap. Well, ooh, diamonds. I'm really. Oh yeah, there's money like that. I just passed by. I'm gonna go get them both. That's $20. That's alright. Alright. Hold on. I missed it again. I'm dead. I'm dead. Alright, come on. Come on, diamonds. Stop playing with me. Let's go. What is that? 200 km. Okay, let's do it real quick. we'll try it anyway. Let me get my money first. That's all that. What is this? My diamond. Alright, let's see if we can do this thing like wrap around or something. $200. We'll figure it out later. I love the online. Let me go back to the garage. I know the garage has more cars. Automatic. I like automatic because this game is already difficult enough. Back to the garage. Here we go.